Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystic Vibes Crystals. This is Shweta. So today we are going to talk about switchboard magic. What is switchboard magic? So switchboard is something that when we use a particular word, it triggers our subconscious. Okay, so whatever it is there in our mind, and some people do complain that we are using switch words since 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but we are not getting any particular result whatever we are using for, or they say that okay, we are changing the switch words. Sometimes we are using this, sometimes you are using that. So somebody is using, for example, somebody is using a money switch word. Then you got one particular someday that happens that you got the money from somewhere, or any of your clients paid you the money. Now then you start thinking of, okay, now I have the money, I got it, that switch word worked for me, so now I need another thing in my life. So money will be coming into my life because it already started, and now I want to use another switch word for another thing. It can be weight loss, it can be your relationship, it can be for to buy a particular thing. So what happens, switch words, it takes time to process, and whenever it is showing you the result, you are expecting that it will immediately, it will be in a continuous flow. You're getting my point? For example, one day you are getting a money, then you are expecting that switch words, every day I'm going to get this, every day I'm able to attract the clients. So you need to understand you already have certain blockages which you are beating constantly. So blockages, as in blockages in your mindset, in your subconscious, or if you have any karmic debts, so that is also possible. Due to that, at times we are not able to attract what we want, or whatever things that are meant to be, that we deserve, but we are not getting it. Somehow we are giving 100% effort, we are trying very hard, we have a proper planning, we have the clarity, but somehow it is not happening. So if you are, first thing, address only one area of life. If you are having any financial issues, address one problem of your life. So that is, you need a switch word to be on a continuous flow. The money should flow into your bank account. Do not mix any other switch word or any other things but that. So let it flow for 90 days or 45 days. Use only that particular switch word. So let it set first. Then if you think you are getting enough and it is coming naturally, what you can do is you can automatically address other problem of your life. It can be of relationship, or to buy a house, or to buy a car, or to buy something, or to remove your money blockage. If you are using any particular switch word that I want a loan to buy this or that, so you can try for 15 days and see what the other switch word that gave you the result. Are you getting the same result? If you're not getting it, please stop it. Continue that for at least 180 days. Then get your bank balance, set your finances, then move to another. That you can do it. Okay. So, the most important thing for those I'm talking about, कि स्विच वर्ड काम नहीं कर रहा है। हम 3 हफ्ते से बोल रहे हैं, हम 1.5 महीने से बोल रहे हैं स्विच वर्ड काम नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज़ योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, द इमोशनल ब्लॉकेज. यू नीड टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट. आपके दिमाग में वैसा है कि अरे मेरा तो इतना अमाउंट आएगा कि नहीं क्या पता, चलो ये भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, You have certain expectation. If you are saying it has to give a fatafat result, right? This won't happen. So what you need to do is you first let go of the blockage, emotional blockage, or the expectations that you have. Then what you can do is try chanting to remove the blockage. For example, if you are chanting find count divine or find divine count now, that means this is a money switch word where money will flow into your bank account somehow the other. Or if you are immediate need of money, then you can chant windfall. You can refer to my other videos as well. So in particular case, when you are chanting this and you are not getting result, you need to get rid of that blockage and the expectation that is there back of your mind, that पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं, आज बोल रही हूँ आज आएगा कि नहीं, आज सुबह से मैंने 28 टाइम्स और 108 टाइम्स मैंने चैंट तो कर लिया, शाम तक मेरे पास पैसे आ जाएंगे. नो, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so what you need to do, first you need to get rid of that blockage. So first, for any kind of money switch word if you are using, then first try to use poverty cancel now. This the mindset, poor mindset कि मैं तो गरीब हूँ, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, इतने पैसे आएंगे तो मेरा चल जाएगा, ऐसे वाले जो माइंडसेट है उसको पहले हमको निकालना है. उसके बाद हमको मनी स्विच वर्ड पे काम करना है. जब काम करना है, हमने बोल दिया, स्विच वर्ड हो गया चैंट करना, उसके बारे में सोचेंगे नहीं पूरा दिन. नेक्स्ट फिर सोने से पहले हम लोग स्विच वर्ड चैंट करेंगे, फिर उसके बारे में नहीं सोचेंगे, सो जाएंगे. लेट इट बी, लेट इट गो. ओके, देन you will gradually see it is aligning with you and that will work. And those who are applying this process and chanting the switch word, trust me, they are getting amazing results. Okay, without any expectations. Still, if you have any query, you can write it in the comment section. Or if you want your personalized reading, as you know, I do distance Reiki, finance, money Reiki, health Reiki, relationship Reiki, that includes all. So Reiki crystal consultation, your tarot reading, your birth chart reading. If you want to take out your kundli and your details about, I do only Vedic astrology, no Western astrology is done over here. Okay, so accordingly you can email me, you can check the description box and email me accordingly. Okay. Take care, bye bye.